So this is our very spacious and luxurious living space. This is our very spacious kitchen. So this is our third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Oriana World, which is located near Bhumkar Chowk Road, Ashok Nagar, Tathawade, Pune, and is developed by Balaji Builders. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and then in front of the sales office you get the Bhumkar Chowk Road, जो आपको लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करता है आंध्रा विद BRTS रोड से, और राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे से. Now, before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 4 acres of land parcel which will be having 5 towers, in which you will be getting 2 basement plus ground plus podium plus 25 floors, in which you will be getting 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location of this project. This project is located near Bhumkar Chowk Road, Ashok Nagar, Tathawade, Pune, जिसमें मेरे राइट साइड पे है इस प्रोजेक्ट का सेल्स ऑफिस, और सेल्स ऑफिस के सामने आपको मिल जाता है भूमकर चौक रोड. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे विच इज 750 मीटर्स अवे, Zudio which is 1.8 kilometers away, and Bhumkar Chowk which is 2.9 kilometers away. Now let me tell you about the amenities this project provides you with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has over 50 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, senior citizen sit-out area, kids play area and multi-purpose court. So, as you can see, I am standing at the actual entrance of a 3 BHK sample flat which has 1304 square feet carpet area. So this is a huge entrance where just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door, and then this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up shoe rack or decorative items. Now, let us check out the living and the dining space. So this is our very spacious and luxurious living space, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and then this is where you get your TV unit setup space, and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. Now let us check out our dining space. So this is a very huge and very spacious dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out the kitchen of this flat. So this is a very spacious kitchen where you get an L-shaped granite platform with a sink attached to it, and you also get a dry balcony attached to it where you can set up your washing machine and utilities, and for ventilation you also get a window attached at your dry balcony. And you also get your fridge setup space here. Now let us check out the first bedroom of this flat. But before we check that out, let me tell you about a common washroom that you get just here, and a common wash basin which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your first bedroom of the flat, where this is your kids' bedroom, and this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get huge windows attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And you get your wardrobe setup space here. Now let us check out the second bedroom of this flat. But before we check out the bedroom, you get an attached washroom just at the entrance of your bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer electrified tiles. So this is your very spacious second bedroom, where you can see you get a lot of walking space here, and then this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. You also get your wardrobe setup space here and an attached window here for cross ventilation and natural lighting. Now, before we check out the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now, let us check out the third bedroom. So this is the ultra spacious and ultra luxurious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, where you can see you get a lot of walking space here, and then you get your bed setup space here. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings and is 3-side cover. But that is not all. You also get a huge walk-in wardrobe space here, with an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. And you also get an attached window here for cross ventilation and natural lighting. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Oriana World, which is located near Bhumkar Chowk Road, Ashoknagar, Tathawade, Pune, and is developed by Balaji Builders. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.